Hey guys, welcome back. It's Michael. Today I've done something a little bit special. I've done my daughter's favorite dessert. I will present you take on the famous banana Eton mess. I hope you enjoy. Today's ingredients are macadamia nuts, double cream, salt, granulated sugar, broken meringue, banana and lime. First thing, we're going to roast our nuts at 180 degrees Celsius for approximately 10 to 12 minutes until they get nice and golden brown. I pour half the sugar in the non-stick pan to make a caramel. While the caramel is getting brown, I'm going to prepare my banana. And here they are, your nuts, nice and toasted. So here we have our brown caramel, golden brown caramel. I'll put my banana in. And I just turn them over back on the heat. So here I'm pouring my banana and my caramel, my brown caramel, inside the mixer. And we're going to blitz everything to make a nice puree. Don't forget to squeeze 1 lime, just to get the balance right between the sweetness and the acidity. Here we have a sweet and limey banana puree. Same step than our banana. I put my sugar in the pan, but then I add the salt and I'll make a caramel. So here I have the caramelized sugar. I put my nuts inside and I mix them into the caramel, and then pour them on the silpat or non-stick baking paper just to allow them to cool down, as they will become nice and crunchy with the caramel for later. So now we're going to whip our double cream. The important step here is not to over whip the cream. So now our nuts are hard, the caramel has turned cold. This is why it's important to use a non-stick paper or a silpat like here so it doesn't stick. Then you close it into a napkin and just with a rolling pin you break your caramel and your nuts. And this will come on top to finish our dessert, to bring some crunchiness to it. So now we have all our ingredients finished. We just need to bring it all together. 1 banana left over, then I kept raw just to have this banana flavor into the dessert. Zest 2 lime. And juice of 1 lime. You will find here the balance very interesting between the sweetness, the acidity, and the fruitiness of the lime and the banana. Caramelized puree and our meringue. And finally, finish our mix with the cream. And mix it all together. The only thing left to do is putting in the bowl. The mix inside, your caramelized nuts, and zest of lime to finish. And there you have it, simple dessert, fresh, zesty and crunchy, my take on the classic Eton mess. Enjoy! Let's see how I've done this time.
What do you think?
What do you think? It's nice. Nice. If you enjoyed today's recipe, please like and subscribe to my channel to discover more interesting recipes.